Sponsored content in conjunction with Pearl Milling Company. These holiday festive pancakes will bring a smile to all the members of your family. Give your Pearl Milling Company pancakes a seasonal touch by trying this delicious winter recipe, inspiring all families to stack up memorable morning moments while enjoying this food with a light and flurry texture with loved ones. Pearl Milling Company Eggnog Pancakes. What you'll need: 1½ cups Pearl Milling Company Original Pancake and Waffle Mix, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 1/4 cups prepared eggnog, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons melted unsalted butter, 1/4 cup milk, if needed eggnog topping, recipe below, holiday sprinkles, optional. Instructions: preheat griddle to 375 F or heat skillet over medium-low heat in a large bowl. Whisk together pancake mix, sugar, nutmeg and cinnamon. Whisk eggnog, eggs and melted butter together and add to pancake mixture. Be sure to stir until large clumps disappear. If mixture seems too thick, add milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until desired consistency. Let stand 1 to 2 minutes. Pour 1/4 cup batter onto lightly greased griddle or skillet. Cook about 1½ to 2 minutes or until a few bubbles appear on surface and bottom is golden brown. Turn. Continue cooking 1 to 2 minutes. Reduce heat to 350 F if pancakes are browning too quickly. Serve with eggnog topping and/or Pearl Milling Company syrup. Eggnog topping. Place ½ cup confectioner's sugar in bowl. Add eggnog to make a sauce-like consistency. Spoon over pancakes and top with holiday sprinkles, if desired. Pearl Milling Company Pancake Mix, MSRP $2.30 - $2.80, pearlmillingcompany.com.